Good day, everyone. You are welcome to another new video. So the question says, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. These are the fractions. What does ascending order means? Simply means the order of arrangement from the lowest to the highest. Now, if you look carefully, we have a very large numbers as our denominator. But for me to find the LCM of these denominators, it's a whole lot of that, and we're going to have a very huge number. So instead of me using that method, I think we can use another method that will be more easier for us. So what if we find the difference between these two consecutive fractions, difference between these two consecutive fractions, difference between the denominators, and the difference between the other denominators. If you look carefully now, the difference between these two numbers gives you 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 11 is 2. Why am I wasting my time? Why don't I use the difference to multiply the numerator of each fractions? That's what I'm going to do. So let's go there. So I'm going to have 8. I'm starting with the first word, numerator of the first fraction, times the difference. I'll do the same thing again. 7 times the difference, because the difference between these two denominators is 2. The difference between these two denominators is still 2. So multiply the numerator of each fraction by that difference. So I will do the same thing again. 6 times what? 2. 8 times 2 is what? 16. Can I see? 8 is for this numerator. 7 is for this numerator. 6 is for the last numerator. Then I'm multiplying each of the numerator by the difference. The difference of the denominators. Is that okay? 8 times 2 gives you 16. 7 times 2 is 14. 6 times 2 is what? Is 12. As simple as that. So for you to arrange now, remember this one here. This one is 12. 12 is the smallest from the whole number. So it becomes 6 over 13, followed by 7, which is 14, which is 7 over 11, and followed by what? 16, which is the first fraction, which is 8 over 9. So this becomes our answer. Wow!